Welcome back to Crypto Lodge. Judging by these weekly US dollar candles, this current one at least, the rally's not over. However, there are different ways of looking at this. We see a nice long wick on Heikin-Ashi. If we leave the weekly and go to the daily, what do we see? Didn't quite make a higher high. So it looks like we're closing a daily lower low, because I don't see dominance pumping much higher today. US dollar dominance. Let's check out the whole crypto market, the whole market cap of the crypto market. I believe we're just under 2 trillion, just over 1 trillion. Just over 3 trillion. 3 trillion was our top. And since then we've been on this is bearish. This is a up and down, swing traders only. First in, first out. 210-day 61% loss on Bitcoin bear market, on total market cap bear market. And for Bitcoin, here's Bitcoin's weekly. That's what I predicted to do. It could just go down. I'm bullish long term. When in doubt, zoom out. I'm not an idiot. However, you really can't even call these tops because it dipped so low and then came back up. It was so volatile. It was whale manipulation. People who own a whole lot of Bitcoin manipulating the price. So I do see us bouncing up to about 40K, maybe higher. We might even go up to 55. Who knows? But I do see us going down for a lower low, or at least retesting the 29K level if we do bounce from here. Let's look at Bitcoin dominance. This is very important. Pumping on the weekly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you look at Heikin-Ashi, it's longer than that. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 current weeks, 6 close weeks of higher BTC dominance in a row. But we just went through 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And we go through long periods of downtrend of Bitcoin dominance, which is alt season, from December 28th to May 17th. I guarantee alts rallied. And we know this was the biggest alt season of them all. The ICO boom, which pushed Bitcoin dominance back in 2017 to its all-time low. As crazy as that is. Here's Fantom against Bitcoin. It's up 20,000. Over 20,000% in the past 616 days. I knew it needed to cool off against Bitcoin and the US dollar. So I averaged down in the ecosystem because it's a low cap ecosystem, as you'll see here soon. I'll show you in a moment. So Fantom's been a great buy all the way down. You earn passive income and passive coins. There's plenty of opportunities. And just to make a new high, we're going up 623%. Just to make a new high against Bitcoin. That's amazing. Let's look at Avalanche. I was not, I repeat, not bullish on Avalanche price. Bullish on the chain and its future, but not on the price when it was over $100. I'd say when it was over $80, I called way overvalued. It needs to pull back, and it did start to pull back. It started to rally a little bit more again, just hit that $100 mark and crashed. I was waiting for this to happen. It happened quicker than I expected it to because of the Luna depegging. So I think AVAX at $22 is a remarkable opportunity. I just realized that I'm in the way. Dollar we just looked at. This looks like a long-term uptrend, and you're not wrong. You're not wrong. This has been quite the long-term uptrend. However, you know, not too much gains. 17% in 1,582 days. Not much. But when the market does this, when the dollar does this, people are exiting the risk assets. Crypto first. Crypto crashed when this happened. Crashed when this happened. And it pumped when this happened. Pumped when this happened. So every time the dollar comes back down to earth, we get a pump in the market. And that's what I see coming relatively soon here. A dump in US dollar value. A new low. Because if you, when in doubt, zoom out. The dollar, let's get rid of all my, that's the downtrend I drew before. Let's get rid of all my everything and just show. Historically speaking, the US dollar peaked in 1985. Has made a lower high, another lower high, a double top, a triple whammy, making a new local high after a double top. I don't know what that means for us, but it most certainly means history will not repeat itself, but it will rhyme. Therefore, something like this could absolutely happen to the US dollar. You know, a little drop now and then another rally which crashes the crypto and stock market one more time and then just dumps while crypto explodes. And we'll go through this violent phase while it is trending down on the macro. Undisputable. Bitcoin dominance trending down on the macro. Undisputable. Fantom, Avalanche, other layer ones going up against Bitcoin on the macro. Undisputable. Up against Ethereum on the macro. Undisputable. Now FUSD. FUSD is 61 cents. Should we buy a whole bunch of FUSD? It's Fantom USD. I'm pretty sure it's the one they're working on. Fantom offers the first DeFi. What's liquidity? Why is there no fire? It's Fantom.Foundation. Sure. I will buy the discount Fantom. It's been hovering at 69 cents for quite a while. It has $700,000 of liquidity in this pool, a market cap of 16 million. In this pool, I'm adding it to my main watch list. FUSD development is something that I am interested in. So why is it on Tomb Swap? Let me just go to Spooky. It's up today, while the rest of the Fantom ecosystem is not up today. Wow, look at that alpha on Boo. So you just paste the address to use Bog Swap, approve. I'm sorry guys, memberships are gonna be disabled. Chat is free now. t.me/thecryptolodge. It's all free until I figure out how to do some paperwork. So what did I want here? USDC of FUSD. I'm gonna look this up. Something not on Tomb Swap. Shouldn't be over there. It should be on Spooky. There we go. Nice Tomb Swap. Wow, is FUSD going mainly through? Right, there it is on Spirit Swap. There it is on Spooky. Thank God. How much liquidity does it have? 2.6 thousand. What's the price difference? Nothing. It's 69 cents. I'm gonna use this pool. I'm gonna use Spooky. Low liquidity gets you some crazy deals on trades sometimes. So it spikes up and down from 69 cents while it's in development here. Let's look at the macro. I know it's been around for quite a bit. It has, peaked, made 4-hour candles above $1, but never closed a 4-hour candle above $1. It doesn't look, it never closed a hourly candle above $1. Yeah, it never closed anything above $1, maybe a 1-minute candle. Yeah, see that peaked up to 87 cents just a couple minutes ago. Just maybe a couple hours ago. Wild volatility. So I like being in things like this with limit orders. They're always nice. Let's see what else has trended. There we go, right on Bog Swap. Let me hit fire on this and hit the watch list. Price impact should be fine. This is a you know, I get $71.4 for 50 bucks. It's a discount dollar. They are planning on making this the dollar of Fantom. So, and also there's another opportunity out there. It's coUSD. It's an 80 cent. It's a 20% off dollar. Not as good as 69 cents, but it's 80 cents right now. And FUSD just keeps going up. Coffin holds value like I've never seen, even though it did fall 12% today. It's rare. It's rare for it to fall. It is up still 400% in 22 days. coUSD. Dang, Deuce is down 30%. Ooh, everything got hurt pretty bad. coUSD down 2.26% today. Holds value so well. No buy sell tax at all on this thing or FUSD. I don't know why people aren't buying discount dollars in DeFi right now. That really rhymes. Discount dollar in DeFi. So just drop another 50 bucks on the discount dollar. I think that'll put me over a certain amount. You just throw 48. No price impact, 0.45%. So yeah, I'm sorry to have bearish. I mean, we got a pump coming. We do have a pump coming. If we can maintain that pump, that's great. If you're still watching this video, you get the great alpha. We're doing graveyard. Graveyard finance is gonna kill it. That's all I got to say about that. Join my Telegram, t.me/thecryptolodge. Follow Graveyard on Twitter. That is at GraveyardFi. Graveyard FI. And the Telegram is t.me/GraveyardFi. You go find the Discord link there. Graveyard's going to be a massacre. It's going to be amazing. And I can't make videos about it because, full disclosure, I've been brought on to run it, you know. So that's my new job. So I'll be making videos from the Graveyard channel regarding all things Graveyard related and Coffin related. Well, I could talk about Coffin on here. I don't run Coffin. But thanks to all of you for continuing to support me. If you watch to the end of this video, obviously you do. Or you're spying on me. Either way, glad I got your attention. Or you're not entertained. Check out the videos around you. And, never give up. Never don't stop fighting.